Bring your lake or pond to life with a captivating and powerful fountain. With a variety of sizes and shapes, Kasco's J-Series fountains are the ideal fit for practically any size water source. This video will help you assemble and install your fountain. Take the first step to getting it in the water so you can sit back and enjoy the beauty of your lake or pond. To get started, place your fountain on a table or safe work area with plenty of space. Then take your float and set it on top of the fountain. Then rotate the float until the 3 bolt holes on the top and the power cord notch are aligned, as displayed here. Take the 3 top open screen pieces and place them around the top of the float like so. Grab the 3/8 by 3-inch hex head screws, washers, and lock washers, and proceed securing the top screen and the float by tightening all 3 bolts through the top screen and float. This next step, you may need assistance from a friend. Take your float assembly and flip it upside down. Then confirm your power cord is set to the dedicated power cord channel as displayed here. Grab your bottom screen and place it next to your Kasco unit. Then grab the 4 edge trim pieces. 3 of these edge trim pieces should be the same length of 23.5 inches. These 3 pieces will attach to the top of the bottom screen in between the hooks. Then flip the bottom screen over and place the last remaining edge trim. Take the recently assembled bottom screen and carefully slide it into place. Make sure the power cord is aligned in its dedicated channel on the float. Finally, confirm the hooks are over the threaded holes in the float. Grab the provided 3/8 16 by 1/2 inch hex head screw and your 3 strain relief clips. Place the strain relief clips above the hook on the bottom screen and then tighten the screw. Repeat this process for the other 2 holes, then grab your friend and flip the Kasco unit right side up. Your next step will be selecting one of the 5 water patterns you want to display. Please note, all nozzles have a part number indicating what pattern they will display. However, some patterns may need more than 1 piece for optimal viewing pleasure. If your desired pattern is birch, you are done as that nozzle is pre-installed on the fountain. If you have chosen the spruce or redwood pattern, remove the birch nozzle and double-check that the O-ring with dielectric grease stayed in place after removal and replace if needed. Then grab the appropriate nozzle and simply twist it onto the top of the fountain. The redwood will require the flow straightener installed in the bottom of the spruce nozzle. If you have selected the linden or balsam pattern, first remove the birch nozzle, making sure the O-ring and dielectric grease stayed put, and twist the outlet nozzle on in its place. Proceed by twisting the metal shaft into the outlet nozzle's pre-tapped hole. If you have upgraded to one of Kasco's premium nozzles, then remove the current nozzle and ensure the nozzle O-ring is in place. Then attach your premium nozzle and twist clockwise using the premium nozzle tool until tight. Then leave the tool on the unit, grab the retaining clip, and snap it into place. Your Kasco unit is now fully assembled, and the next step will be to ensure your control panel is properly installed by a certified electrician. It is time to prep the fountain assembly. Your first step is to ensure you have shut off the power at the control panel. Then grab your mooring ropes and attach them to the float. Locate one of the 3 rope holes and run the mooring rope through it, looping the remaining length through the end loop to tighten the rope on the float. Grab your power cord and quick disconnect and attach each end. Your Kasco power cord comes with a strain relief kit. Attach the available carabiner to the corresponding strain relief clip on the underside of the unit, as shown here. This creates slack near the fountain and helps ensure the weight of the cord and strain placed on it in the water will not damage the unit or cause the float to tilt. If a Kasco light kit is added to the float and includes a strain relief, attach it to one of the remaining strain relief clips to help distribute the weight of the power cords and prevent tilting. If you are dropping anchors into the water to stabilize the fountain, attach them to the mooring lines. Our pond in this video is lined, so we'll be using a bell anchor without any sharp edges so that we don't damage the lining. If your water source is not lined, you can use any type of anchor, such as a cinder block. Take a second at this point to plan the location of all your anchors. This will save you a lot of back and forth. To transport the fountain to the installation point, place it in the water near the shore and put the remaining anchors in the boat. Always tow the fountain by the mooring ropes and not the power cord. Pulling the unit by the cord at any point could damage your fountain. For your 2-rope anchor installation, this is our plan. Start at the fountain's desired location. Then take one anchor to anchor point 1 and drop. Then return to the fountain and take the second anchor to anchor point 2, which should be directly across the floating unit. For your 3-anchor install, start from your desired fountain location and head out to anchor point 1 and drop. Then head back to the float and at a 120-degree angle, head out to anchor point 2. Repeat this process one more time for anchor point 3. If you're using a shoreline anchor install, take your first stake and hammer it into the shoreline. Then tie a mooring rope. Then get into your boat and row with your Kasco unit and the other mooring rope. Once the first rope is taut, grab your second rope and row straight to the opposite shore. Then hammer another stake into place and tie the rope, ensuring it stays taut. Now you're ready to turn on your fountain. Once there is power to the unit, proper mooring will prevent the float from spinning in the water. If you do notice any spin, turn off the power and adjust the anchor placement as needed to stabilize the fountain. Then all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy your new water feature. And remember, if you have any issues, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the world will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.